Hi there, I'm Mohammed and welcome to the second episode of the IELTS speaking series. Today we're going to take a look at some Part 1 speaking questions. Can I see your ID, please?
Sure.
Okay. So in this first part, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Where are you from?
I was born and raised in Tehran and I currently live there.
Do you work or study?
Well, at the moment, I both work and study, and I must admit juggling the two is something of a handful.
What work do you do?
Well, I will have been working as a language teacher for 10 years come next month.
Do you like your job?
In spite of its challenges, I guess I can say I really love my job.
Why did you choose this job?
Well, after my first year in college, I realized that I couldn't go on without making money. So, knowing that English was the only thing I was good at, I decided to try my hand at teaching English.
How did you find out about this job?
Prior to my current job, I had worked a couple of odd jobs to make ends meet, and a friend of mine who knew about my predicament let me know about an opening in a language institute he was working for at the time, and that's how I found out about it.
Is there anything about your job you don't like?
I'd be a liar if I told you there is nothing I dislike about my job. I guess the one thing that I'm not really into is the long commute to work because I think it's a huge waste of time.
What do you think about making friends through the social network sites?
I don't want to sound like a pessimist, but speaking from experience, I think online friendships never work out because on social networks, you never get to know people well.
Is it a good or bad thing?
The answer to that question really comes down to your expectations of an online relationship. If you were looking for something casual, it wouldn't be bad at all.
What do you think will happen in the future?
Well, no one really knows what the future holds, but given the growing interest in social networks, I guess online friendships will slowly but surely take the place of more traditional and conventional ones.
In the next episode, we'll make responding to Part 2 task cards easier by classifying them into 3 groups. I personally really look forward to it. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.